You probably hear stories every day that someone's friend in IT makes hundreds of thousands of dollars every year, that some technology startups get millions of dollars in funding doing like Parsing, Data Analysis, ML, AI, LLM, GPT, crypto, DeFi, and other things that are so far from normal people's understanding. And you know the funny thing is, it's true. Nowadays, the IT industry is the most profitable and most advanced business, and with the rather low threshold of entry, which allows specialists from different fields to retrain and master new business, integrating the latest technologies into their products or making new projects based on modern solutions. But wait, where are all these people? It's really simple question to answer. Usually they sit in their offices and almost do not enter the media field, do not share their products, do not show their team, do not tell the real stories of their success and failure, well, only if sometimes making a repost of Elon Musk tweets. But that's the way it was until today. Hi everyone, you are on Indext Data Lab YouTube channel where we talk about technology in business and business in technology. I'm still 17, the host and producer of this YouTube channel where we, a company with many years of experience, a dozen of highly qualified specialists, earnings of more than $400,000 for the last year on Upwork, and with a huge portfolio of completed projects, will tell you and show you the whole inside world of IT industry. On this channel you will not find boring spreadsheets, we will not draw graphs on a magnetic board, we will not sell info gypsies ideas and courses, and we will do without empty statements. In other words, no bullshit on this channel. We will talk and discuss new trends in the IT industry, review our own Indext Data Lab projects from A to Z. Together we will understand how to start a business and how to find your place, your niche in IT world. As well as we will bust some myths about IT by talking with real professionals, our team, our clients, and industry leaders. And it actually doesn't matter what your IT experience is, whether you are junior or middle minus, senior plus, human magician, elf, programmer, or manager. You don't even have to be involved in the industry to find something interesting, something new for yourself. Believe me, the videos here are released every week, so subscribe to our channel to not miss the weekly dose of quality and interesting content. All links to our resources you will find in the pinned comment under this video or in the description of our YouTube profile. And it was Indext Data Lab team, your friend still 17, and see you this week to dive into the incredible world of IT, business, and technology together. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, see you soon, bye.